In recent videos, we've talked extensively about dwelling coverage and how it doesn't necessarily reflect market value or anything like that. So today I want to dive a little bit deeper and talk to you about the Reconstruction Cost Estimator. Hi, my name's Chance King. I'm the Director of Sales for River Tree Insurance. And today, like I just said, I'm going to talk to you about the Reconstruction Cost Estimator. The three things I want to focus on are why it's important to be accurate, how we can prevent having any surprises after a home inspection, and then most importantly, making sure that if you ever have to replace your home completely, then you get the same type home you had before the loss. So first, why is accuracy so important? Well, for many reasons. You know, when I ask you questions about the home, I want to know what type of shingles they have, or what type of roofing, whether it's shingle, metal, what type of shingles, the type of siding you have, the type of foundation, if you have any other structures, all these different characteristics. The reason I'm doing that is because I want to make sure the quote that we provide you with is the most accurate possible, and making sure that one, I can capture any possible discounts or maybe prevent some surcharges or stuff like that. So again, I ask you all those questions, and I do my homework too, whether it's looking stuff up on the tax records, Zillow, Google Earth, all that stuff to maintain that accuracy and get you the best possible price that we can. Next is I don't want there to be any surprises. So if we just kind of say, oh yeah, it's vinyl siding and yeah, regular shingles, and we're not completely accurate. Most of our carriers are always going to do an exterior inspection of your home after we bind a policy. And if they go out there and say we had a vinyl siding home, but it was actually brick, that's going to affect the dwelling coverage, which will in turn affect the premium. And we don't want any surprises there. We want you to know, hey, this is what you're going to pay. We've quoted this accurately, and this is what you can expect moving forward. Third, and most importantly, in my opinion, is if you have a total loss on your home and it needs to be rebuilt, we want to make sure that you get the same home that you had before the loss. So in the Reconstruction Cost Estimator, if I'm asking you, hey, do you have, like, what type of kitchen do you have? Or I'm looking into that, and you say, well, I don't have a custom kitchen or a semi-custom kitchen. Let's just put it in a builder's grade kitchen so we can get the dwelling coverage down and I can save some money on my premium. That's a possibility, and yeah, you could probably save some money on your premium. But if you've got a semi-custom or custom kitchen and you put builder's grade on that application, then and you have a total loss, don't expect a custom kitchen when you come back, because that carrier is going to provide you with builder's grade materials instead of custom materials and custom ranges and stuff like that. So again, it's not about trying to get the premium down as low as possible, although that's always what we're trying to do. The main thing is we want your insurance to actually work for you. And when you treat insurance like a commodity and try to get the lowest price, that's not always going to be the case. So anyway, if you have questions about this and even if you want us to just take a look at your current policy and see if we think you're insured appropriately, we'd love to do that. Please reach out to us via social media, give us a call or shoot us an email, or even come by the office and see you. We'd love to sit down and talk with you. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. So until next time, thanks for watching.